Where it gets tricky is determining a semi-upright plant compared to a semi-pendulum. And now this is something that you're not going to just be able to grasp right from the get-go. It takes some time looking at different hybrids and kind of acknowledging and assigning what kind of leaf orientation they have. So as we go through this process of assigning a semi-upright plant, we're going to start on the bottom once again. And if it's pendulum, and we're going to make our identifier right at the ear leaf level. Is identify which way is that ear leaf going. Is it going in that upright position? It's going to make it a semi-upright plant. As the rest of the leaves above that ear leaf go in that more upright position, it makes it semi-upright. As we look at the semi-pendulum plant, we're pendulum on the bottom, and as we get up to that ear leaf, the ear leaf is our identifier for semi-upright or semi-pendulum, we look at which way that leaf is going. As you can see here in this picture, that leaf is going in that horizontal frame. It's reaching out to touch that row beside it. That's going to make it a semi-pendulum. Even though the leaves on top of it start going in that upright position above that ear leaf, that semi-pendulum plant, we use the ear leaf to identify if it's semi-pendulum. And as you can see, that leaf is reaching out and it's in that horizontal position.